How to protect your cards. In this video, I'll show you how to protect, organize, and showcase your sports cards, featuring penny sleeves, top loaders, magnetic one-touch holders, binders with 9 pocket pages, and display accessories. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your business cards safe, organized, and protected. You'll learn about the most important storage accessories, such as special cases and card holders, that will protect the integrity, usability, and long-term condition of your cards. Stay tuned to learn which tools and materials are the best investments for keeping your cards safe. Soft card sleeves, penny sleeves, thin, transparent protective films that protect the surface and edges of the card from fingerprints, dirt, and minor scratches, used as a first layer of protection, often before top loaders or other cases. Double sleeving, e.g. penny sleeve perfect fit, provides extra protection. Interesting fact, Reddit users point out that the corner design of penny sleeves avoids bending/creased cards when inserted, and they are also aesthetically pleasing. Plastic deck box card holders, compatible with standard cards. These plastic boxes securely protect cards from dust, damage, and moisture. They can also have a pull-out drawer or transparent windows, application, multiple, thematic, e.g. game, decks in one place, organized, ideal for mobility, home storage, or when you often change decks. A practical choice for gaming communities, e.g. TCG, MTG, or Pokemon. Top loaders. Function, rigid or semi-rigid PVC cases that prevent bending, contamination and mechanical damage. Grading companies, e.g. PSA, Beckett, usually require a top loader before submission. There are several versions of the Ultra Pro, Regular, 305 micron, Premium, 381 micron, Platinum or specialty/oversized models, available in different thicknesses and clarity depending on the level of protection and appearance. Magnetic card holders, or one-touch holders. Magnetic closing, thicker, 20 to 180 points, transparent cases, often with UV protection, with a slab-like appearance suitable for presentation, primarily used to hold valuable or decorative cards, for display in a display case. The case is easy to open and close. Plastic card stands. Lightweight, clear plastic holders, usually acrylic, that allow you to display certain sports cards, and their cases, e.g. graded slab or top loader, in an elegant, stable manner, used to display prominent or beautiful pieces, for example in a display case, on a shelf or on a table. Many formats are available, including variants available on eBay and in specialty stores. Interesting, there are even models with adjustable tilt, foldable, easel, models. There are even customized versions, for example, 3D printed card stands that can be ordered with your own logo, color and ideal tilt angle to make the presentation even more unique. Binders and 9 pocket sheets. 3x3 transparent pages in a ring or D-ring album, which allow for viewing and organizing each card individually. Although most cards come with their own album, a separate album can also be useful for spare cards or if you want to display a collection. Suitable for storing and displaying collections, sets, themes. They are practical if you want to organize a lot of cards in a clear way. According to collectors, it is advisable to choose a D-ring binder and not to overfill it, in order to protect the integrity of the cards. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to see more educational content alongside our card breaks, you're in the right place. Hope you found this helpful. Did I miss anything? Drop your thoughts in the comments.